Yes, and as legends come and legends go, I could give the accolades and all the stuff, but I'm not going to waste too much time. Ochiame Kwame, the man himself, how are you doing, man?
I'm doing great. I'm blissful. You know, nothing bad happened. When I woke up this morning, the sun was where it's supposed to be. The cosmos is amazing. Nothing bad happened today, so I feel amazing. I'm just happy to be here.
And I have to ask, how's the family, man?
They are doing great. I left home at 6 a.m. I've not been there, but I've been speaking to them intermittently. So they are doing great. They are rooting for me.
Let me just say, carrying on, you're such an inspiration when it comes to the family system, nurturing and growth. Is this who you've always been?
I think that I was very fortunate. My father loved me a lot. Every evening after work, he'll put me in his car and take me to his friends. So I'm just passing on what I've been handed. To say, but I think that we don't do this to show off. We do this because it's the right thing to do. And no matter how hard you work as a father, your children will still love their mother more than you. But we are still happy to do it.
Now, I've asked a lot of legends this, and I'm going to ask you the same thing. Are you happy, Ochiame, being in the industry for so long with the state of Ghanaian music? It's a very heavy question that demands a lot. But from your perspective, are you happy with the state of Ghanaian music and how far it's progressing?
To tell you the truth, I don't base my happiness on things that are not happening within my experience. However, the music industry is partly within my experience and outside. I think that we can do better. I think it's time that we own our own Spotify, our own Amazon Music. It's time that individuals, we own our own social media so that we can keep the revenue here in Ghana. I think that I think we can do much better. In terms of the creativity and the arts in itself, I think we are doing great. But the business aspect of the creativity, I think we should do more because the whole world is going digital. In the next 2-3 years, people are going to pick, an amputee can pick up something and put it on their hands, and then the mind or the brain will be able to communicate with it. What are we doing as Ghanaians, So it's not just the industry. It's just, I think everywhere, we need to speed up. We need to speed up. In the industry, everywhere. In IT, everywhere, we need to speed up.
Thank you so much for always adding your voice. You don't shy away from the truth, and that's something we look up to. So your expectations for tonight, the 22nd, that's big.
Yeah. Tonight, Charlie, I just, for all the people who are competing, the ones who are been nominated, I wish that may the best person with the most votes win. And then I hope I win something. If I don't win, it's amazing. I was at the first Ghana Music Awards. This is the current last one. I'm still here. I'm just happy to be here.
Wow. Yeah. The first one till now.
Yes, I'm just happy to be here.
Chairman, God bless you for always being a part of the Ghanaian industry and adding your voice. What do you want to tell your fans quickly before you leave us?
Hey, Charlie, I just want to say thank you very much. It's been 24 years. We are still here. It's because of you. It is because of you, the fan. It's because of you, the VJ, the DJ. People in the media playing my music and keeping me here. God bless all of you.
God bless you too, man. Thank you very much.